If you're not spying on your Walmart competitors, understanding their keywords, how much money they're making, then you're leaving money on the table. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how Helium 10 can make Walmart sellers like you increase your sales and understand how much your competition's making, what they're ranking for, and more. First, we can look at this Helium 10 tool. The link's in the description for a free trial. But they have this extension called X-Ray, right? It's just a Chrome extension, and it's literally going to show you exactly how much competitors are making on Walmart. So we could type in Pokemon plush. We could see all these, but we're like, hey, I want to sell Pokemon plush, or I want to see how much my competitors are making. So let's say we click on this one. It's like a little sleeping Pokemon. We can pull this extension, X-Ray, and it's going to tell us how much they're making per month. And you can see right here, it's showing us all the data, their product ID, their UPC code, their price, their ratings. And look at this, their Walmart revenue. This one plush on Walmart is making $48,000 a month, which is just completely insane. If they're selling this on Amazon, it'll also show you the Amazon ASIN. But you can go through all of these and just like see tons of data to see what items you want to sell, right? So again, I could pull it up on here and I could see, but it's just a really awesome tool. And there's pretty much, I don't think there's any competitors that have a tool like this where you can actually see Walmart competitor sales. Another thing you can do is, let's see again, if this was our competitor's listing, we could take their item ID. Here's the item ID. We could go into Helium 10 and they have another tool called Cerebro. You can see it says Walmart. And you can put in, we can see what keywords they're ranking for on Walmart. So I can put their listing ID in, and then I can see exactly which ones they're showing up for. So again, they're showing up for the keyword sleeping Pokemon. So if I launched a Pokemon plush, I know that there's a huge demand for this, and I could just make sure it says sleeping Pokemon in the title, because this is what they're ranking for. Pokemon Stuffy, sleeping Pokemon plush, and you can see the trend score. So Pokemon toys is a high trend and a high search volume on Walmart. Pokemon plush, Pokemon toy, Pokemon. So I can see all of the keywords they're ranking for. They're not ranking for that many, but a little makes a lot of money on Walmart. Now they have another tool right here on Magnet. So we could take, again, let's say Pokemon toys. And we can go to Magnet, and then we could say Pokemon toys, and it's going to show us some other keywords that are good that we could be putting maybe in our description or in our bullet points to help us rank even higher and kick them off the first page, or at least the first spot. Pokedex. So we can do it by trend score. Boys toys ages 8 to 11. Boom, right? Pokemon Lego, toys on sale, Charizard. Oh, we know that's a big one. So maybe a sleeping Charizard. So that's giving us ideas. So again, these tools are awesome, and they're one of the only tools that works for both Amazon and Walmart. They're going to start releasing TikTok tools as well. But if you wanted to check this out, there's a link in the description. You can get a free trial or a discount with the link. And this is one of my favorite tools overall, and one of the only tools that I have where I can see the actual sales on Walmart. So if you want to be a Walmart seller or you're already selling on Walmart, this is the tool to use. But that's it for today's video. What strategies do you use to stay ahead of your competitors on Walmart? Share your best tips in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're in a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, analyzing your competition to optimize your listings, doing your designs, advertising, and of course, increasing your sales. The benefit of this service is us utilizing our tools to help you increase your sales, and you can focus on your business while we're managing all the daily operations. You can save time, money, and increase sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.